Okay, so all the pieces have been printed. Can we see them? Yeah, right. It's a bit overexposed, but all the pieces are black, so that's why I keep it like that. So this is all the pieces. I processed them as well, so they're all clean and ready for paint. As we can see, there is quite a lot of them. So let's gather them all up and we can do a little count of how many there is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102 fucking pieces. Oh my god, so many. 102 pieces that I need to paint now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, we're gonna have fun with that and we're gonna film it as well. Let me have a look at this camera because I know it's a bit overexposed, but that's because of the harsh shadows, so let's expose it a bit nicer. Oh shit, I had it on manual focus, fuck me. I mean, the pieces look amazing, so I'm quite excited, but I'm quite nervous. 102 pieces though, that is a freaking lot to paint.